Hey guys, I'm Tim Anderson with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you something that will make you feel awesome, and it maybe will help get rid of a lot of stress. So we're in the holiday season, and we're also in 2020, and that's just enough in and of itself. But I'm going to show you how to combine two movements that can totally help melt your stress away and maybe even change your life. And the first one is called a hookup. And this comes from Brain Gym. So what you do is cross your legs over, interlace your fingers, and then fold them through like so. So everything's crossed. So everything's cross, cross, cross. And just by doing this calms the nervous system, calms the mind, lights up both hemispheres of the brain, helps you focus, helps you get centered. So we're gonna combine this with a breathing technique that I think you'll enjoy. So what you're gonna do, I'll talk you through this. And if you do this with me, by the time this video is over with, you're welcome. You're gonna feel great. So you're gonna breathe air in, down into your belly like we always do. Fill your lungs up from the bottom to the top with your tongue in the roof of your mouth. And keeping your tongue in the roof of your mouth, you're gonna pierce your lips and just let your diaphragm relax and just let the air come out of you. So it looks like this. So you're just letting the air out, and you don't do anything other than let the air, relax enough to let the air come out. Keep your tongue in the roof of your mouth. But we're gonna add to that. So this is my little Tim twist, because I like you and I want you to feel amazing. So here we go. So we're gonna breathe in, let the air out. And when the air just gets almost all the way out, you're gonna smile and just let the rest of the air out. So looks like this. Hi, how you doing? And then after you smile and you let the air all the way out, you're gonna breathe air in again, fill your lungs up from the bottom to the top. So you're gonna do this with me. We're gonna do this, I'll tell you what, let's just do it 5 times and see how you feel after 5 of these. So we're gonna do our hookup from Brain Gym. You should look that up. It's an awesome movement system by Paul Dennison. And we're gonna breathe in this really odd, peculiar fashion with our tongue in the roof of our mouth while we smile when we just relax our diaphragm. I'm gonna shut up and you're gonna do this with me. Ready? 5 times, ready, go. You can close your eyes if you want. If you do close your eyes, make sure you got good balance. And that's 5. So there are 2 things that you can do, even apart from themselves, that will help calm your stress down and make you feel good. Inside and outside, even doing a hookup, just doing this, it actually helps you move better. Makes you, because it gives your nervous system good information, lights up both hemispheres of your brain, helps your body actually move better. But combined with this breathing thing, which alone can calm your stress down, soothe your nervous system, soothe your emotions, and that can help you move better too. So we're gonna combine these 2 things that can both make you feel better, less stress, give your nervous system great information, and we're gonna combine them, and they both help you move better too. And if you move better, you feel better, and if you feel better, you move better, and if you don't have stress, you feel better and you move better, and everything about you dances together. So I want your whole body, mind, soul, emotion, spirit, all of you to dance together. You do your hookup. You breathe in through your nose, relax through pierced lips, finish with a smile. And you repeat it 5 times, 10 times. 5, you'll probably feel amazing. 10, why not feel extra amazing? But do that whenever you're stressed, or just do it, and maybe you won't even get stressed. But that's our tip this week, combining hookups with the peculiar relaxing of the diaphragm through the pier slips. All right, guys, happy holidays. See you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.